Hello friends, you always need to communicate with your buyers, potential customers or clients, and your website should have all the communication tools through which your visitors, your clients may interact with you. In this video we have Bit Assistant, so it is called Bit Assist, which is a communication tool, in fact a linking tool, and through which you can communicate with your customers using different messaging apps. So this picture clears what exactly we are talking about, and using this plugin you can simply integrate most popular communication system with your WordPress website. So match Bit Assist with your brand and you can customize it like you actually want to show on your website. It has all those features that you actually need for communication and integration. Like it has native integration with multiple platforms. You can actually connect the 6,000 plus apps using the webhook, Zapier, and many more. So these are some social communication platforms that you can see on the screen that you can easily connect with your WordPress website when you are using Bit Assist. So this is our demo website, and let us install this plugin so that we may understand how we are going to proceed with this and how easy to integrate all the communication tool with our WordPress website. You can simply download the free version of plugin to start with. Further, you may proceed for pro version as required, and pricing and all the details are available on the official website of bitapps.pro. So I'm going to add the link in the video description. Okay, so I'm going to add the plugin that is a pro version with me. Simply activate the plugin and we will proceed with the screen instructions to onboard or customize the things. And first of all, we need to install the basic plugin, I mean the core plugin, to use the pro one, just in case if you are targeting the pro one. So the free can be downloaded using this link, and I'll download the free bitassist.zip. So I'll install the base plugin first. So bit-assist.zip, this is the plugin name in fact, and we can simply activate the plugin. Okay, now we have Bit Assist, the base version and the pro version. To demonstrate, I am showing you the pro version. However, you can start with the free one, as I said. So here is the Bit Assist, and we can check all the widgets here to configure and proceed further. So we can add widget, like this is the option, and in the add widget area we can simply write the name, like I'm just putting a demo name WPT, and we can create a widget here. Once we created the widget, we can add with the site and use widget in this site, or we have further edit option. And once you created the widget, you can add the channels on this widget. So add channel means the tool that you want to integrate. Like we discussed, we have hundreds of tools that can be integrated here. So I'm showing you the pre version, pre part basically. And when we activate the pro one, so I have it not activated, however I'm using the pro version of plugin. For activation, you need to link your website with the system. So I'll show you. So here are the channels that you can directly integrate. So I wish to show the free first. Like Calendly, you can directly integrate call or the Google Maps or Discord, contact form as well, the Line, the LinkedIn. The major applications can be directly linked, like WhatsApp and the YouTube as well. And just in case when you are trying to link the WhatsApp, you can simply put your phone number that you want to connect with your website and the message and the link where you want to open it, either in the current tab or new tab. So I'm just putting a number here just to check. WPT themes, and in the pro version we can even hide after office hours option, and it can be shown either on desktop or mobile or on both. So just to check, I'm just enabling this. Okay, so the channel created successfully. On the front end it will be visible, and we have further the customization options like widget style. We can customize the widget color, the widget icon, the position and the size, and you can even use the custom CSS. Further, we have settings like we can enable the business hours if we want, and we need to have the pro version for enabling this. Enable active widget. Okay, enable widget active page. Okay, and the page filters, so you can even select on which page you want to display the widget. Okay, and external publish options are also here. So publish widget to any other platform if you are not going to use this on exactly on this website. So we have the code in form of a script, and it needs further pro version. So simply the widget is now enabled on the website. Similarly, we can add any number of widgets that we want to display, and it connects to the respective communication tool or the platform as we integrate and select. So the channels are the area where you can add all the things, and further the customization options are here. So I feel this can be a very good and easy tool to give all the options of communication, direct communication at your WordPress site, and this plugin works well for this purpose. You can start with the free one, and the pro version will give you additional features. So I feel you are going to use this, and how it is working for your business and for your website, let us know in the comment section. And in the next video, I'm bringing more tools for your WordPress site. Thanks for watching. Keep building.